Christine, Create the Heart, and today I'm going to be sharing some projects that I made using La Land Crafts. So this is actually from a class. In addition to the class projects, I also made some other projects with sort of the leftovers. And so this is like a catch-up class because this was a spring box class. So every quarter La Land Crafts has a spring box that you can purchase. All those items are going to end up in their release, but the box is usually discounted about 25% or so, and it's just a good way to get some of the new products. And then there's a class add-on that you could purchase for $35, and I usually like to do it because it kind of, you know, makes me use the new stuff that I just got. But this class was like a couple of months ago, and so I'm just spending the summer as much time as I've got. I'm actually going to be going on a big vacation to catch up on some of these classes that I purchased and did not do. So in our box we got this clear stamp Silly Pigeons, and this one, which is Feline Good. So to me there's like a 90s vibe as well as like a New York vibe. So we got these two clear stamp sets, the stencil set, which is a two-part stencil. We only use this one for the class. An amazing paper pack, which I should show you guys because this one's called In the City. And how do I open it? I know I opened one side of it, and maybe I didn't open one side of it. Maybe I thought I opened a side of it. Oh, losing my mind. I could swear that I opened one side of it, but I guess I didn't. It's weird. But anyway, I love the paper. The paper is, you know, you see a lot of this type of paper. This is like a sampler pack. A lot of paper that's very similar. What I really like about this paper is that you can very easily use this with your stamps. It's not so done up that it can't be used. Sometimes I feel some of this paper, I know that it's AI generated, is very, I don't know what the word is. It's very much like more than a background. It's like the entire card. And so this really works really well, and you'll see how we used it in the class. The other things that came in our kit is the Marcy. This is Good Vibes Marcy. See what I mean? It's like very 80s, 90s vibe to me. Let's see here. The Taxi. The Taxi is amazing. I used it in a couple of different projects. We also got this one in the box, which is the Skyscrapers die, and then there's a Cherry Blossom die, which for some reason I don't have it in this thing. I have it on my other desk. But some other items that are new that came out, I think these ones came out during the Winnie the Pooh release. It's like the book plate dies, two different ones. They're pretty cool. And then this came out, I think, at the same time as the spring box, and this makes a frame. So all the things that we used. And so let's get into the projects that we made in the class. And so one of the things I love about Irina's classes is she always uses things creatively. These classes include coloring. I still suck at doing eyes the way that she does the eyes. I just, after all these classes, you think I'd be able to do them, but I still can't get the hang of them. Anyway, she always does things, you know, different sized cards. She will sometimes do things that move. She does the inside, except this card I didn't do the inside. But she always does something very different. Like this card right here is a 7.5 by 4.5, 4 3/4 card. So it's definitely an interesting size. I didn't necessarily have everything. I just kind of, if I didn't have it, then I replaced it with something I did have, and it's kind of how it goes. But you can see how we use the paper here, and almost looks like a window. So, and we did the coloring. I love it. So fun. And then this card right here, which is a square card. And then we did finish the inside. And you can see that cab there. This was made using that book plate die, the one that has the circles in it. And so we were able to make a sun out of it. And here's the coloring that we did on the cat. And you can see how she had us use the paper. So just really fun. And then this is another card that's kind of an interesting size. We use that frame, the scallop frame, and then we use some acetate, so it almost kind of looks like a window. So I don't know if this bird is inside the window or outside the window or what, but very cute. And again, you can see how that paper is being used, where it really is just a really nice accompaniment to everything else. And then this one was made into a pocket, and then you can use that scrap. So really fun. And then with what the leftovers I didn't want to waste, I colored extra things during the class so that I would have things to play with. And so this paper right here, we use this die to cut this paper and use it on the card. I forget which one it was. It was maybe this one. No, not this one. Must have been this one. And I used the reverse side of it, I think. That's what I did. Anyway. So I just filled in this. Actually, these pieces were actually left over from something else. But I just filled in the pieces there, and I just trimmed the side. And so here is that cherry branch die, and kind of just use some scraps there. And then this one, I actually had these pieces cut out, but I didn't use them. So I just did some stenciling with a stencil. I had a leftover skyscraper, and same thing. I think, yeah, this paper I cut out something, and I used it on one of these cards. And so all I did was just fill in that empty space to use up that scrap. And so there's that card. And then this card, I used some leftover paper and made it into a slimline card. And I did have this pigeon already colored. This was a leftover skyscraper. This was a leftover, these were leftover pieces from other cards. I just did another taxi because I like the taxi. I actually made two taxis because I used it on the other card. And so this one is a slim line. Isn't that fun? And then this card mimics the other card that we made in class. I just really love that taxi, and I had that extra cat. So I went ahead and made another card very similar, just a little bit different. And so these are all the cards that I made using all the new spring products, and I really had a lot of fun using these stamps. So stay tuned. I have another class I'm catching up on, and I have a really old class I haven't started that I needed to work on too. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. This is Sandy Credit Card.